First award for Best Hydropower EPC Enterprise in India goes to Patel Engineering Limited. May I request Navneet Hazra and Balinder Singh AGM to please come and accept the award. Please give a big hand to them.
आ जाओ फोटो हो जाएगा।
तालियां बजाइए सर, कहाँ नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes. Good, sir. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I have to, want to speak. आप तो बोल चुके हो, लेकिन मैं एक बात जरूर बोलना चाहता हूँ. I'm indebted to Rupen Patel ji, who is not here, because Inertia started his publication because of Rupen Patel. I can tell you. So one thanks big before I give him the
थैंक यू एयर साहब, आपने बार बार 1990 बोला तो आई वांट टू जॉइन. आई एम आल्सो
wonderful.
And I want to tell that our company is totally into hydropower projects. 70% of our turnover comes from hydropower projects. Currently we are doing around 12 to 13 hydropower projects, out of which 40% are EPC projects.
Right.
And we are doing with JKS PDC, we are doing with CVPPL, we are doing with HPPCL, we are doing in Bhutan, we are doing in Nepal, in Northeast with DIPCO, we are doing with all the PSUs in this country.
तमिलनाडु
And PSP in Tamil Nadu also.
Right.
So we are very happy that we are recognized after doing this, such a contribution to our hydropower projects. So thank you very much. NHPC and maximum stake with the NHPC.
In fact, in 2008, this forum was established with the help of Patel Engineering. So give them a big hand. We established this forum because Rupen wanted it to happen. Rupen Patel, he was so much, and he was a chartered accountant, first of all. So when I started interacting with him, it was like early days for Hydro. And उन्होंने एक ही बात मुझे कही, ऐसा मैं ठेकेदार कहा जाता है। मैं इसलिए आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ, आप समझिए क्या था। मैंने कहा सर इसका तो एक ही go into any place where you try to reward and support the industry. This is what's the concept. I said I'm going to launch this award, so I want a partner in industry. You must never receive the award. देखिए आज आप लकी हो कि अब आपको मिल रही है, लेकिन कितने साल बाद? I think we have never recognized, only once probably later on, because first 5 years was like Patel and us in a share was, and we were only calling the industry. It used to be, the hall used to be more than we have here. क्योंकि ये तो क्या हुआ, वो एक सबड्यू हो गया था ना हाइड्रो का, and फिर पैंडेमिक में भी और सबड्यू हुआ. So we had even bigger forums for this, and Rajasthan Sahab is witness to that. So I will always, tell you, Rupen, I tell you, he was better than an engineer in his understanding, of hydro. That he was. And the only time he went away from hydro with me was, I think he had a issue, ऐसा ये Mozambique का कुछ करना है. So I did an Indo-Mozambique investment. वही एक off direction Marconi Foundation से हमने किया था. और वो भी इसलिए कि they were going into some kind of mining opportunities over there. That's the only event other than hydro which I did with Patel Engineering. So my whole story and background is full of that. So whenever this company comes, it's very interesting for me. And I got back to Rupen because in between we had got it was Paretkar. In fact, what to say, they are dear friends. तो Paretkar साहब ने उसको बोला यार तुम्हारा दोस्त इधर हमारे पास बैठा है, that way. And then he started, and there was something we were going to do which I cannot tell you in public. It would have actually transformed Patel into a different dimension company. Because the only problem for big contractors is this delays, the time effort, and then the challenges that you do. So if you can see what is happening, EPC contractors like, I would say very big ones like Afcons, are not becoming the developers. There is no scope. So you got all the skills, all the wherewithal, you have your companies that trust you, but you do not have the money. So what happens, वो developer आता है वो तो L1 वाला आएगा, क्योंकि उसकी बुद्धि में यही है, मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा, tariff code कर दूँगा, चलाऊँगा, उसको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? That also same, like they'll go later, they will renegotiate and say it's not happening, and they will increase the price. This is seen. This is seen and this is witnessed. So I don't agree that developers who don't understand this hydro must be in the hydro. It's going to be, I'm not naming, but I know what's happening right now. And it will be known after a few years. See, even a company with the caliber of Tata Power cannot show anything beyond that Bhivpuri and other things. Where is the hydro asset with them? Now here I am naming a company, capable company. In fact, one of my alumni is sitting in the renewable energy, Banga is sitting there, but Banga cannot handle hydro, for that matter, right? So it is a question that even the very solid company, if it has not got any experience in the last 30 years to do hydro, government cannot just go and tell them कि तुम अब कर लो. 20-30 साल तुमने कुछ काम नहीं किया, तुम अचानक हाइड्रो बना दोगे, भूटान में जाकर बना दोगे आप, ऐसे ही बन जाएगा. नहीं है इतना आसान सर, आप देखो, आप तमाशा देखो अभी. मैं तो I have told Shivang Ranjan that you must explore other options. So luckily our Greenco friends have gone. I was talking to Nanda, so he's finally gone. Last year he said हमको interest नहीं Bhutan. I did this summit in Thimphu last year. So that time they did not come, but now they got interested. So you need the right companies who have the right concept to go there and do the work. And definitely I want NHPC to go into Bhutan. So we had a very short chat. But I want, because if NHPC is not there, the private firm will also fail. वो bilateral में जो आपकी दोस्ती है वो चली जा सकती है गलती से. पुना साहब ने हमें सिखाया ना, वो सारी blame कर देंगे कि वो खजांची साहब built Tala in the record time. And we have the stalwart of Tala, his associate, DP Goyal here. He again did Kacha Monk in 4 years. So, and that was for JP. So where is the question of not doing the project in time? इन लोगों ने खुद पसीना बहाया अपना प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए. भूटान में नाम हमारे इनके कारण हुआ और वह सब चलेगा. वो जब जियोलॉजिकल सरप्राइज है, सबने गालियां देनी शुरू कर दी खजांची साहब को. ऑन व्हाट ग्राउंड्स? आज आप मूर्खा लोग जाके उसी एक्सिस पे काम कर रहे हो. तो मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहूंगा इसको, तो हमारे लेकिन बताना पड़ेगा इवन सेंट्रल वाटर कमीशन की फेलियर है, because they became the problem for the bilateral, because they did not understand this project is it's not a water project, it's a run of the river hydro project. What was their role? CA, why did not pay the role? CA को क्यों नहीं डाला हमने आगे? NHPC को क्यों नहीं किया आगे? जिधर NHPC वो सारे प्रोजेक्ट बन गए. मंदिर जो तैयार हो गया, खजांची साहब ने ताला तैयार किया, बस उसमें एक सरप्राइज के आगे लोगों ने उसको डंप कर दिया. और जो बाकी गए मेरे में, I don't want to name the MDs. Some of them, हम तो 1 साल के लिए आए सर, हम तो चला जाएगा, हम तो इधर मजा करने आए भूटान में. ऐसे लोगों का भेज दिया वो. Sorry, one of them was my alumnus of the NITs. And I was very angry with him. I said, "Sir, इसको भगाओ इधर से." नालायक है. तो I had to say, even an NIT guy. नाम नहीं लेना चाहता, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर पहुंच गया. मैंने कहा तो शर्म आनी चाहिए. Because Prasad Saab was an electrical engineer. Look at the commitment of Prasad Saab. 78, he was to bring the 36 megawatt Chukha in. And it was thanks to ABA Ghanikant Chaudhary. I don't want to go into the story of that. I'm sorry I'm taking this because very important. That time, he brought that entire through Chicken Neck when China was sitting on top of you. And also the Ulfa was there. हम कहते काम नहीं कर सकते. इतनी खतरनाक सिचुएशन में अब तब राजा ने क्या दिया था, fourth king, the father of the current one, the great His Excellency the Jigme Singh Wangchuk, उन्होंने कहा था प्रसाद थे करके प्रोजेक्ट बन गया. This is the kind of certificate our engineers got from there. Unfortunately, Prasad Saab did not get the highest honor from Bhutan, but he deserved. Kuricha bhi उन्होंने बनाया. So these projects were created in Bhutan, the NHPC only. So and the king has lavish praise on what he did. Later on, Khazanchi Saab became absolute star because he did Tala se unki puri economy sudhar gayi, because that project gave something like 20% of the revenue in the GDP at that point of time. Now all these projects together have come to some 22%, and I believe that can go to 40%. They've got a Gelefu mindfulness city coming. They need a separate power plant for that. So it is our blunder that we are not working with them. They will have a separate currency for that. वो Bhutanese currency का अलावा एक और currency बनेगी. It will be like the Dubai International Financial Center, but like a country within a country. तो वो country छोटी सी है, but वो सोच बहुत बड़ी है. They are the 5th largest Bitcoin miners. Why? Because they are using their hydropower. So don't be under the impression वो आपको बेचेंगे. वो बनाएंगे, वो डाल देंगे, कल वो data center भी आ जाएगी. आपके पहले वो तैयार हो जाएंगे. So इसलिए यहाँ के लोगों को भी ये सोचना है कि जाके इतना, I don't want to talk about, but one PSU went and talked nonsense against Bhutanese there and created a condition ground level where it became like India Pakistan हो गया था. Sorry to say that. ये तो हम जैसे लोगों ने जाके उसको ठीक किया. I had a great ambassador. I want to name him Gautam Bambawale. If Gautam Bambawale was not there, Bhutan was lost. He said, Professor Saab, anything for you. पीछे खड़े रहे एम्बेसी से. उसके बाद कहीं आए फ्लावर पॉट शो में जाके निकल गए कई लोग. सारे एम्बेसडर आ जाते हैं, अपना टाइम पास करते आ जाते हैं. फिर एक थोड़ा दलेला ठीक था. उसके पहले हरिहरन थे. हरिहरन was good man. He said, Professor, I am almost on the verge of retirement, but how do I know what to do in hydro? You tell me what to do. And he was a very good man. When you call him, he will come and sit in the hydro forum. That's the first time I got Sherin Togge, the current Prime Minister, sitting in the front row like this. And recently in March last year, he said, Professor, do you remember the amount of learning we had when we came? मैंने कहा sir, you are in the big chair now. Now you help the hydro. तो वो मेरे यहाँ आया और उसकी political issue भी वहाँ sort out हुई. I did not realize that other guy Sange got sidelined, King's relative, and this man has become Prime Minister 2 times. And I helped him. So there are some personal relationships in the country. I love that country. Nepalese are calling me. I have not gone there. But जिस दिन मैं नेपाल जाऊँगा वो काठमांडू यूनिवर्सिटी मुझे बोलेगी अरे साहब यहाँ कुछ आप कर लो. That's the kind of link I have. So I can help in this. Vietnam also very friendly with me. So I am strategically looking at countries with which we can have a kind of a balancing act versus China, because you can't fight China militarily. You need to जैसे वो आपका इंसर्कल कर रहे हैं आप भी कर लो उसको. वो तो तरीका है, then वो बात करेगा आपसे. So this is the game. Arunachal, sir, I'm not convinced with the capacity you guys talk about. 55-60 gigawatt. करो नहीं सर्वे. I can assure you Arunachal Pradesh का 150 gigawatt तक potential निकलेगा with pump storage also possible. So it should be new, fresh documents available to the 60 and all. And this is what the salami style thing is going towards the water bodies. And धीरे से हमारे water body निकालेगा वो. उसको अरुणाचल से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है चाइना को. They are after the geographic sizing of your water. And this I have warned our government, and they are not heeded to me. And it's happening every day. Ladakh में भी दूसरा game है because the China-Pakistan economic corridor has come there. Now it's very difficult for us to think of even taking the POK because it is more or less China de facto sitting there. What they are doing, they put up semiconductor plant using hydropower to match this Taiwan semiconductor. और वो पूरा शंसगाम वैली से लेकर गोदार तक military men tell me, Professor, how do you know all these things? Why should I not know? Only you will know. आप ही को पता है. आप उसको समझते कोई आर्टिलरी से आप काम करेंगे. Days are gone, sir. And फिर आ जाएंगे वो advanced tech से हम fight करेंगे. You must learn from what Iran has done. $15 billion is the budget on defense. What have they done? नाक में दम कर दिया अमेरिका के. So hybrid warfare की तरफ जाइए. इतना खर्चा कर रहे हो, पता नहीं क्या क्या कर रहे हो. वो toys ले रहे हो. Costing 2 times the bloody Sukhoi, and Sukhoi can do a better job than this. See, these are all subjects are there. We are wasting our money, and then here also Indus Water Treaty. Why we have to go into the water side? Electricity निकालो यार. तो बिजली निकालो अपने काम करो. You're working on water and you're getting stuck with the water sharing. So these are lot of problems are there. It's not that there are not people questioning them. Everybody is not a yes man of any regime. I'm not a yes man of any regime, neither Manmohan Singh regime nor this regime. But I have my friends everywhere. So it's not about which political leanings you have, whether you love your country. एक ही बात पूछे आप अपने देश से प्यार करते हो क्या? करते हो तो आपको कभी-कभी ऐसी बात भी बोलनी पड़ सकती है जो उनको अच्छी नहीं लगे. वही साहब राजदान साहब keeps motivating me. Thanks sir. I am a rebel. So next.